Guys, welcome back to Sonic Kitten Vlog. Today we are going to do a paper craft like this. This is the world record one. So let's get started. Before we start the video, like, share, subscribe. So let's go into the process. So first you have to take an A4 size sheet, any color. Take this edge and keep it over here. You will get the connect mark. Press it over here and push this back over here. Remove this fold and take the fold same in here. And now remove this fold. And then this is very tricky. So take this edge and keep it on this line. It has to not be wrong. Then do the same for the other side. And then take this and fold it half page. First do it like this. Do a light crease like this. Just do a light crease. Then remove it, and then you have to fold, and then you have to fold it there. It has to be straight. Then fold this over here. Then go for the other side. Over here. So guys, I folded this side. Now we have to take this little one and fold it over here. And I have to draw a crease with the nails. And then turn this upside down. Take any side and fold it like this on like same. So you have to fold. Now you have to press this over here. See? And now take this edge and make it come over here. And then take this another edge and then fold it. And so we are finished. Oh guys, we have finished it. Look, the world like a paper balloon has been finished. You also try to make it. If you make it, try it out first and then write it in the comments. So hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. Bye guys.